Kikoff has multiple, they have multiple accounts. So they have a $750 account that they can report to the credit bureaus, where you can actually use that account to buy products in their store. They also have an installment account where they're going to report a $120 installment account onto your credit reports, which is going to hopefully boost your credit score up. And you pay $10 a month for that installment account. And then they also have their cash card. Think of it as like a secure credit card. You have to put money down on it. That one is actually going to hopefully help you boost your credit score also. So those are the 3 accounts that they actually have. Each account is different though, you guys. Like, each account is definitely different, and each of them, everybody probably don't want to get it all right. So if you guys do not have at least 4 credit cards reporting, for some reason you can't get a credit card, then you may want to go ahead and get that cash card that they have here. And then 2, they also have that kickoff credit where they can report that $750 account to your credit reports. Now, they're not going to report this account right here to TransUnion. So that's like the downfall. But with their credit builder loan, if you guys don't have a loan, this one, they are actually reporting to all 3 credit bureaus, and they can automatically take the money out of your account. So far I didn't save $90. I've got to save $120, and then they're going to give me my $120 back after I save it all. So I just have 3 more payments of $10 per month. And you can see here's my payment history here on me paying on this account. Now, after it's completely paid off, so I have 3 more payments. My next one is actually going to be this month. After I have it paid off, then they're going to close it, which is why you're gonna, I don't know if it's going to drop my credit score that much, because I didn't even need that account. I think it dropped my credit score from getting that account. That's why I tell people, if your credit score is high, don't get the account. I got it just to be nosy. I got it just to be nosy. If your credit score is high, don't get it, because it could drop your credit score, especially if you don't need it. Pick and choose what you need. If you need credit cards, get the credit accounts. If you need installment account, get the loan. Okay. So